Bro, the West oppresses women 10,000 million times more than Islam. What is every single barista? The person at the coffee shop. What is it?
Gay usually.
No, or a woman. It's gay or a woman.
Yeah.
Every single time you go to a bar at night, you go to a casino and they're serving drinks. What do you get?
Women.
And what do they have? Their boobs out like this. You can't
yeah.
even work at most restaurants or places in America if you don't want to show your boobs as a woman, right?
They won't hire you. They won't
Every
say
single-
that's why, but they just won't hire you.
All the people on airlines that are coming around bringing you stuff. What is it? It's women. People at front desks at hotel, it's women. In the United States, they like to use women as tools to make money. They use their God-given looks, their boobs, their butt, put it in front of people, usually at the front of a restaurant, hotel, stuff like that. Commodity services, blah, 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 blah. To use them. What do Muslims do? They say that's for your husband. It's for yourself. You don't share that with the entire world. You don't trade something that God gave you and is sacred for money, for worldly gains.